What's up YouTube, this is Sohan and you are watching Technical Spark. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how you can schedule your system shutting down time in very easy steps. Let me show you how it works. As soon as you click on this particular icon, it will give the notification that within 2 minutes your system will get shut down. Let's close this. Let me cancel this shutdown. To cancel this shutdown, you will have to go to the run by pressing Windows plus R and type the command which is shutdown space -a. OK. As you can see, the schedule shutdown has been cancelled. This feature is very important guys, because for an instance, in the late night you probably downloading one of the software which is very bigger in the size and it probably going to take 3 hours or 4 hours. So in this situation you can schedule your system shutting down time with the help of this simple trick. So let me show you how I have configured this so you can do the same thing in your desktop and laptop machine. But before starting the video, one small intro video. Back again. Guys, let me first delete this shortcut. To create auto shutdown timing for your computer, right click on your desktop and click on new. In new, select shortcut. And in the shortcut, we'll have to type one command, that is shutdown space -s space -t space. Here you will have to mention the time frame, at what time you want your computer to be shut down. And for this, we'll have to mention the timing in seconds. Let's calculate this. Just go to the run and type calculator, CALC, and press on OK. In calculator, 1 minute means 60 seconds. So type 60, and the next thing we'll have to do is after how many minutes you want your computer to be shut down. So in my case, I'm going to take 2 hours. So click on multiply button and press 120 minutes and click on is equal to. So my total timing is 7200 seconds. So let's mention here 7200 seconds. Close the calculator and now click on next. Now we'll have to mention the name for this particular shortcut. Let's type shutdown after 2 hours and click on finish. My shortcut is created. Now just right click on that and select properties. In properties, click on change icon. OK. Here we'll have to provide one icon to easily identify this particular application. There's a lots of option available. You can choose, and this is completely optional guys. If you want, you can do it or leave it. I have selected this. Now let me click OK, apply, OK. So now whenever you want your system shutdown time to be started, just simply double click on this. As you can see, Windows will shut down in 120 minutes. Shutdown will start on Monday. Right now this is a Sunday, 11 AM, and when our 2 hours will complete, at that time my timing will be 1 AM. So that's the reason it says shutdown will start on Monday. Now your system will shut down automatically after 2 hours from now. And if in case you want to cancel this shutdown timing, just go to the Windows, right click and select run. You can press shortcut command which is Windows plus R, and here we'll have to type shutdown -a and click on OK. Shutdown is cancelled. So friends, similar way you can create multiple files like this for different timing. I hope guys now you have completely understood how to shut down your desktop laptop machine with these easy steps. If in case you still have any feedback, queries or questions, then please feel free to type in the comment box below. I'll answer each of your comment. Very important, if you are new on our channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And turn on the bell icon so that you will never miss my future video notification. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Friends, if you don't know about how to do slide shutdown for your PC, then please click on the I button at upper right corner. So now try this trick in your PC and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.